Well, it's morning time. Welcome to winter morning. Hope that all of you want and have a good time. Have a look in front of me. Here is a big river. There are so many small boats on this river, and here is a place where I live long time. I have been living here for 3 years. So long time I have been living here. So I have come here to practice my English and exploring the morning environment. Morning is a good time to practice English, to walking and to walking, to exercising. That's why I try to every day come here to practice English and exercising. So look at that in front of me, actually beside of me, here is a tall grasses. Here is another field also here. Yes, there are so many birds are flying on this field. Yeah, it's morning time. When coming morning time, when coming winter season, we can get different kind of environment, and we need to some warm clothes, heavy clothes, warm room. And right now I'm feeling better because after a long time I'm getting this kind of environment. Yeah. So right now I'm going to here for showing this natural beauty. Let me show you the beautiful natural beauty. And behind of me, sunrise, sun will rise. Yeah. I'm feeling freezing environment, and I'm getting fresh air, and it's really quiet place, and it's very amazing place. So let me show you the different natural beauty, and have a look. Here is small Amazon, here is a small canal, over there here is a big sand field, and here is a tall grasses field behind of me. So it's really different place, and I'm really enjoying this kind of environment. And yeah, some birds are flying on the sky. So guys, and some people and some children, some part of me, there are a lot of different kind of, yeah. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. See you again.